If you want to translate with camera on your iPhone 17, then first of all we need to find the Translate app, which you might be able to find in the home screen or definitely in the app library. So go to the Translate, and then at the bottom we can switch to the camera. Over here at the bottom we can choose the source language and the target language. We can also choose photos, so if you have a photo taken of a text that is in foreign language, then you should be able to translate the photo as well. You can also toggle the flashlight over here. And there we go. Now we can place the text over here, and if the language is detected, then you should be able to simply translate whatever you have over here. Let me actually switch to the language here. Let's choose Italian, and we're gonna switch to English, and there we go. And if the text is translated, then you should be able to see the overlay. Let me actually put it closer a little bit. You can also use the the shutter button in order to translate the text. And there we go. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.